How was the run over this morning?
Perfect. I very enjoyed it. Ideal.
Enjoy the scenery?
Lovely. Really lovely. Yeah. Oh, and all different types. You get different colours, just a different type of scenery again. Beautiful.
Very elegant today.
Thank you very much indeed. I'm trying to keep the theme of the car, 1937, so we've dressed up for it.
Have you enjoyed the route across here so far?
It's absolutely beautiful. The bluebells, the green, freshness. It's just been a glorious trip. Lovely road. Really great trip.
I thought it was a really well constructed, very well designed route, to be honest with you. Give everyone a chance to, probably open up their cars a little if they wanted to give it a bit of a blast. But it was just so scenic. It was just so absolutely scenic, and especially on the way out in the morning.
No, I just think it's, because I'm the driver, I think it's just such a good mix of single track road and then, bitty wider roads, and the scenery is just gorgeous. Of course I like the rock formations and the brooms out and the winds are out, and just lovely. Just lovely.
That's the time of year to do it.
Aye, and everything's fresh and the water, lots of water. I liked all the lochs and I didn't know the names of them, but there was big expanses of water, which is enjoyable too. I liked it. Yeah, I'll do it again.
Yes,
definitely.